Based in Shanghai, globally oriented, Shanghai Janus Grab Company Limited has been specializing in remote control grab for more than 30 years. The factory is located in one of the most important towns in the Yangtze River Delta, Shaoyuan, Nantong, Jiangsu Province, covering an area of more than 20,000 square meters. Technological breakthroughs have been made through the period of promoting transformation and upgrading. Janus Grab has become competitive in worldwide terminal distribution centers and shipping gathering areas, embarking on a new journey of high-quality development. In order to facilitate the establishment of Shanghai International Shipping Center, Shanghai Janus is committed to providing professional technical services to overseas shipping enterprises and related institutions with training and maintenance throughout the world. Spirituality seeking for greater perfection represents Janus manufacturing, while collaborative innovation explains Janus creation. Taking innovation as firm-wide orientation, technology as life, and quality as paramount aiming. Generation upon generation of Shanghai Janus talent have strived to achieve a series of innovation products and solutions. From advanced manufacturing, rigorous testing to standard assembly, from the selection of a single screw to the detection of each grab, Shanghai Janus spirit has been manifested. Preciseness, persistence, perfection. Automatic spraying rooms and temperature and humidity-controlled painting rooms have enabled Janus Grab to adapt to the great variety of undesirable maritime conditions. Reliable, functional, and overload test has won Janus Grab the recognition of top classification societies, including ABS, NK, LR, AV, and CCS. Shanghai Janus is headquartered in the heart of Shanghai, the International Shipping Center. Since the birth of the first remote control grab, Janus Grab has won a series of awards such as Scientific and Technological Progress Award, National Science and Technology Achievement Award, as well as a number of national patents. The new generation of Janus Remote Control Grab has gained the approval and praise of overseas users with a simple structure, easy maintenance, and reliable use. The shipment volume has been ranked among the best in the world. On the new journey ahead, Shanghai Janus will adhere to seeking for greater perfection and collaborative innovation, thereby escort global shipping with even greater Janus power all along.